what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince Tala Prince. Ntwana Fede.
Fede boy.
I'm done, boy.
All good, my boy.
Sweet, man.
Welcome guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until La Ekasi.
Yeah.
Ndwana
Fede.
Fresh boy. Sibaqala vafana.
Ntwana siyayigibela Naturena beside. Yeah, ntwana ngifuna sithinte si Naturena Kaizer Chiefs as they're playing today.
Yeah,
they're playing against Cape Town City. Okay. Yeah, they're playing away match.
It's the league, ne?
Yeah, in league match. They're playing away with Cape Town City. Today you have 7.
Okay.
So yeah, ntwana Ragu Kaizer Chiefs ntwana we saw the return of Kevin Msimango.
Ne?
Yeah, Kevin Msimango taking place yaga riding. Yaga Roshun totally.
Okay.
Yeah. So ntwana ngifuna sithinte lapho yangithola. Like since ntwana abuyile he considered 1 goal in 2 matches.
Yeah.
So yeah. Ubuya nje ntwana there's sad news for Kaizer Chiefs fans
very very sad
and the South African football as a whole, man, as is a Bafana star.
True.
Rashun Dudley ntwana has been ruled out
for at least
for the rest of the season.
Yeah, for at least 6 months.
Yeah.
He went under a knee surgery.
Sure.
He was injured, so he went under a knee surgery. He's been rolled out for the next at least 6 months. So it's really sad. It's really sad for the Kosi Nation as Batraya uklanganisa squad sabo.
Sure.
And Dudley was just like being the pinnacle of Kaizer Chiefs. Like he was just there, week in, week out. He was just there performing for the Bafana Basenature.
Sure.
It's really sad now. It's really sad because bayahlanganisa nikuyabonakala ukuthi iyahlanganiseka, but if something like this is going to happen in Shiava,
done. These are sad news, done.
Yeah, very sad. Very sad,
man. But so far Ndwana Msimango ubuyila and has been good player position. The Ndwana like I liked combination ga Roshin Totally no Dove
ne?
On the left hand side. Yeah, because they are both comfortable on the ball. They hardly lose the ball.
So, and they can play it from the back.
Yeah, they can start and build from the back. So and then last city corner and we're trying to pick up ourselves and then this thing happen.
Things like these.
So yeah, man. But let's hope Kevin Msimango will continue grinding those good performance.
But I'm actually worried about him.
Yeah.
I am really worried because him coming from Cape Town Spurs.
Yeah.
And then afike lapha kuKhosi, he has managed to actually get himself to the Bafana squad.
Sure.
His first cap ungenile udlale kayi-1 to actually engrave his name lapha kuBafana jersey, yabo.
Yeah.
And now the AFCON is just here.
Yeah.
He genuinely just wanted to play for the Bafana. And I think like each and every player in the PSL that's a South African ufuna ukudlalela Bafana yabo.
Yeah.
So it's really sad because now he won't be able to even be part of the squad because of this injury. The selection usimbonile Hugo Bruce Barangena aphuma out of the stadium sabheka ama-match. I think even last week last week nakhona since from the derby Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates. Since from that week he was just out there scouting check ukuthi kwenzakalani. And it would have been nice having Dudley being part of Bafana.
Yeah, as he's been called for preliminary squad. Yeah. So these are sad news indeed.
It's really sad. And now since Saz with like him being out.
Yeah.
Some players bajabulile. Last week it was announced that Dupreez yena secure a 2-year deal.
Yeah.
With Amakhosi, yabo. And on the other side, Umatlo still yet to actually get a contract with the Naturena boys.
Yeah.
It's still yet to get a contract with them.
A contract.
I really don't know. It's only how many months left? I think like 4 months. The technical staff say Abu Nabi, basically.
Is it 4? Isn't 3?
3.
Yeah, we it's March now.
It's March. I mean,
Yeah.
But yeah, it's 3 actually.
Yeah, so
they gave him 3 months for Utiena Ascombe Gutupeteni.
Yeah, to prove himself.
To prove himself to them. And then it's just all up to him, Gucci Wenzan. Do you think bazomka game time logo bamthembisa so?
Yeah, and then game time which Matlu uzoyithola because even in the previous match ntwana ungenile. Yeah, we asked between
Uyosifaki
wasifaka phakathi kwi semi-final. So ntwana so I believe ukuthi untwana will come back strong. Ngithola then kwamele perform man ngithola creating those scoring opportunities, man, breaking windows. That's what matters as a box to box player.
Yeah.
So I so wish ukuthi untwana can
untwana kuningi because I'm just even thinking uFaisal makazobuya angena ngayi uzosithola nokusithola.
But it's squad depth ntwana.
Hey.
Squad depth. Yeah, like on that Kaizer Chiefs squad ntwana we don't need those unnecessary players.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Average players. But Umatlo ntwana is one of the best. Like if he can stay out of injury, I believe he can deliver a lot, man.
He can prove himself.
Yeah.
Okay, and then Lenda Bagatotli, do you think they should just try and sign a defender in a corner if something like this do happen?
A left centre back.
Yeah.
I don't think I will need a left centre back right now.
So from Lapo Upete Totli, Upete Msimango, Upete Noban Foot. Udove na yangangena.
Udove can play as
alternate,
yeah. Actually, like they have to get a left back. Yeah, to balance the squad because Udove can play as a left centre back.
Yeah.
Comfortably.
Okay.
So yeah, I believe if they can get a left centre back. Yeah.
So Udove ni Mspanisa over time,
Leandon is soldier.
That guy. Yo, yeah, I think that's just it. I don't know if you want to add anything, my boy.
Nah, nothing much.
Nothing much.
I think we're unpacking this news. This ndaba totally ntwana. So yeah, I think.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Guys, just try and comment as well. Keep on commenting. Don't be shy. If you have a view, just do you think Kaizer Chiefs should sign as well? Yeah. Should add more depth into the squad as they want to win the league? And Konamanje, they will be playing in the semi-finals, ne?
Sure.
And so I know it's just too early. But if they want to win trophies, that's something that they'll need to add on the squad. Squad rotation.
Yeah.
In and out. So just comment there, like and subscribe, and keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing, keep on liking. We really, really appreciate the support. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, from me to you, we all know. One love. Peace.
Soccer Forensics. We out.